I want to turn to our continuing coverage now of the Donthe Lucas murder trial. He's the man accused of killing his pregnant ex-girlfriend Kelsie Schelling, who had disappeared 8 years ago.
Now the trial could last into early March. Our Colette Bordelon on her way to the courtroom already this morning and joins us on the phone.
Yeah, and Colette, just give us a little background of this case for people who are not familiar with it.
Yeah, Bree and I were, as you mentioned, Kelsie Schelling was 21 years old. She first disappeared on a drive from Denver to Pueblo to your boyfriend Donthe Lucas on February 4th, 2013. Today marks exactly 8 years since her disappearance. Her mom, Laura Saxton, the first witness to be called up by the prosecution to take the stand in court on Wednesday. A very emotional testimony from Saxton, who was talking about what Schelling was doing on this day 8 years ago. She says that Schelling went to her first prenatal appointment, was told by the doctor that both mom and baby were doing well. Schelling was 2 months pregnant at the time of her disappearance. Saxton says her daughter was excited but nervous to become a mom. She also says she knows her daughter had started taking prenatal vitamins and was trying to eat healthier, really ready to fill that role. However, Saxton does mention that Schelling apparently told her she didn't believe Lucas would want to be a part of the baby's life.
Well, Colette, as far as what's going to happen today, we know that the defense will get their chance to cross-examine. What are you expecting?
What I'm expecting today, so they did cross-examine Saxton on Wednesday. The last witness the prosecution called to the stand on Wednesday was someone who claims to be a former inmate who was in jail with Lucas at the time that he was. This man alleges that Lucas told him while in jail he will never be convicted of this crime because investigators will never find a body. Now, it's important to put that into a little bit of context, and I think this is what we're going to hear the defense focus on today when they do cross-examine this witness. This man has been in and out of jail several times. He openly spoke about struggles with substance use disorder, and he does say no one else heard Lucas say that. So it is his word against Lucas's.